Hello everybody, welcome back to Captain Equine. Today we're opening up the back gate for the first time in 3 months. I know, it's exciting. I've already had McAdoo chase me, run into me, so this is bound to be an entertaining one. Forgive me for my out of breathness. As I said, I had a baby horse chase me and try to bulldoze me. So I'm gonna be a little bit out of breath. Just a little bit, you know. Ooh, this is gonna take both hands, so I'm gonna have to do 2 segments today. And we're back, and I'm covered in mosquitoes. Hi, buddy. Nice tall grass in there, so hopefully this will help deal with all the problems we're having with their feet. Here comes McAdoo. I'm gonna space myself out from this area a little bit because the mosquitoes are terrible. Like beyond terrible. So you might get a video later like, our horse has escaped, because it has been 3 months there. I really hope that everything's gonna go well here. But, dang mosquitoes. But am I not? If they would stop blocking the doorway, I feel like everybody would be a lot more interested right now. That one right there next to the donkey? Yeah. Chased me, ran, but all right next to me in the pasture. I'm probably gonna get a pretty big bruise on my leg from where he rammed into me. Baby's gonna baby, I guess. Not much I can do about him respecting my space out in the pasture while he's in play mode. This isn't gonna go well. Update, had to cut the video. Not very interesting today, huh? I really thought they were gonna have a huge reaction, but I guess the food's too big. The food versus no food, which is exactly what's going on here. There's not enough food inside the front pasture to feed 8 animals on it. So the fact that we had to lock up the back pasture meant we used a whole bunch of hay, which is not great. Now the back pasture's open, we might be able to cut down on hay though. Though we're supposed to have a tropical storm come through, so we'll see how long we actually get to have this back pasture open. McAdoo's coming to the ring. Will he get beat up, or will he make it through into the pasture? He's gonna wait patiently right next to his donkey friend. Okay. How many horses can we fit into one doorway? Ollie Boy has noticed. Atlas does not care. Oh, enrichment toy, right there. Right next to Addie. I gotta refill that. I'm gonna go ahead and call this video. I have a feeling it's just gonna be this, them aggressively eating. And the mosquitoes are getting worse, so I'm gonna get going. I lied. Loki told Mac no more. The moment I turn off the camera too. Mac, what are you doing? Ollie attempts to get granted access while I continue to get destroyed by mosquitoes. Oh, we're gonna have 3 horses in the doorway again. Okay. I'll turn the camera back on if something interesting happens.